since you're on desktop. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your channel, and you probably would want to go to your creator dashboard. Just skip all this stuff. So you want to go and select your broadcast, your past broadcasts. So we're going to go and select the past one. Yeah, make sure your past broadcasts are also saved, because you won't be able to get clips if you don't save your broadcasts, because I do see a lot of people get upset about that. So make sure in your Twitch VOD settings, make sure you have it always polished VODs, so the VODs will automatically save right away. You can turn it on store past broadcasts. Make sure this is turned on as well. Automatically save podcasts is up to 7 days, 14 days for affiliates, 60 days for partners, Turbo, and Prime users. So definitely turn that on, because you won't be able to get that. And make sure you enable clips. Make sure this is actually turned on as well in your Twitch settings. Enable creation of clips from stream or past broadcasts. Users can create clips. Will be able to trim, title, edit, portrait layouts of clips they create. You can edit those clips through the clip manager. Any clips you and your editors have featured will not be editable by anyone else. Yep. So make sure you have this setting actually turned on as well. And then you can just mess with all of this settings if you want to, but I wouldn't really turn follower only mode or subscriber only mode on, because that just makes the viewer pretty annoyed, and a lot of people don't really like it. So yeah, just make sure everything else that I have in this selection is turned on. So like I said, just make sure those are always turned on so you can actually make this work. So you want to go to your past Twitch broadcast, and you just want to go to watch, and just go to here, and then you just go and rewind which clip you want to, if you see something that you really like. So here's a picture of me actually getting my shots, even though my shots aren't great on Fortnite, but getting better. I'm getting better. So if you see a clip that you like, go to the clip button right here, click on clip, and then Twitch made this a little easier for you as well, where if you're like clipping something, it doesn't take you to another tab. It'll just pause the stream, and then you can just go and go with the portrait version layout, go with the landscape version, depending how you like it. So just go ahead and just name the clip, just call it best kill shots, like that, for example. Just go with whatever you want to name it, and then you just go with put it as a feature clip or add it as a story. This is the new feature that they're adding, where you can just, it'll automatically will post it to your Twitch story. It'll automatically will post it to the feature clips, which will go into the discovery feed that Twitch has been trying to do to improve its discoverability, which isn't really as perfect as I thought it would be. So as soon as you get everything that you want and how you want to do it, you can actually trim it around, move it around a little bit. You want to edit and make it a little bit better, do it like that. As soon as you have whatever you want it at, just go ahead and save the clip. Just go right ahead and just save it. So it'll save the clip, even though my computer is pretty fast, just depending on your upload speed, because it'll definitely take a while for a clip to get made. But if you have a really good internet connection and you're wired and everything like myself, it won't be much of a problem for you. So go ahead. It doesn't take really long, and then it'll give you the option where you can share it to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. They're all integrated, or if you want to share it to something else, you would have to download it. Or you can go to like trim, you can share it to your story, you could copy a link. So as soon as you're done with that, it'll actually will show up in your clip stuff right here. So yeah, it'll appear basically here where your clips are. It'll also will show the clips that you've actually created as well, mostly for yourself or other people who've made it, or on other channels that you've actually previously clipped on. It'll actually will appear here. But yeah, that's how you actually make clips on Twitch. That's how you basically do it. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it. You can actually ban the user if you wanted to, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to remove the clip because this was just an example clip how to actually do it. But yeah, that's how you pretty much how to make clips. Let me know down in the comments if this video did help you out. If it did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more content. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next All Things Noah YouTube channel upload.